Looking for the best lantern for power outages? A reliable lantern can provide crucial light during an outage, ensuring safety and convenience. We've rounded up top options that deliver brightness, durability, and long battery life when you need it most. Number 1. Coleman 1000L LED Lantern. The Coleman 1000L LED Lantern is a standout product in the world of outdoor lighting, combining powerful performance with a durable design that makes it a top choice for campers, hikers, and anyone who requires reliable illumination in emergencies. One of its most impressive features is its battery guard technology, which helps preserve battery life by preventing corrosion and eliminating power drain, even during long-term storage. This ensures that when you need it most, the lantern will be ready to go without the hassle of replacing the batteries. The lantern provides up to 1,000 lumens of bright light, capable of reaching a beam distance of up to 16 meters, which makes it ideal for illuminating large outdoor areas or navigating dark trails. The 4 adjustable light modes, high, medium, low, and flashing, add further versatility, allowing you to customize the lighting based on your needs, whether you're setting up camp, reading a book, or signaling for help in an emergency. The lantern is designed to withstand tough conditions, being both water-resistant and impact-resistant up to 2 meters. This durability ensures that it can endure rough weather and accidental drops, making it reliable for use in all environments. Additionally, the lifetime LED bulbs never need replacing, saving you money over time and reducing waste. The lantern is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring its quality and longevity. Overall, the Coleman 1000L LED Lantern is a high-quality, versatile, and durable lighting solution that offers powerful illumination for any outdoor activity or emergency situation. Number 2. Lighting Battery-Powered Lantern. The Lighting Battery-Powered Lantern is a reliable and convenient lighting option for both everyday and emergency use. Powered by 3D alkaline batteries, not included, it offers a bright 1,000 lumen output that can be adjusted to suit your needs, whether you're lighting up a small area for reading or illuminating a larger space. The lantern features 4 lighting modes: daylight white, warm white, full brightness, and flashing, providing you with versatility for different situations. The long-lasting battery life is one of the standout features of this lantern, capable of running for up to 12 hours on full brightness, making it a great choice for power outages, camping trips, or emergency preparedness. While it is not rechargeable, its extended battery life and ease of use make it a practical option for many applications. The lantern is also IPX4 water resistant, meaning it can withstand splashes from all directions, ensuring it's safe to use in rainy or snowy conditions. The design includes both a hanging hook and a removable cover, giving you multiple options for placement and ensuring it is easy to carry or hang as needed. Whether you're using it at home during a power outage, on a camping trip, or as part of your emergency kit, the Lighting Battery-Powered Lantern provides dependable and adjustable lighting that meets a variety of needs. Overall, this lantern is an affordable, efficient, and durable solution for those in need of a reliable light source for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 3. Ayl LED Camping Lantern. The Ayl LED Camping Lantern offers exceptional brightness and a versatile design that makes it perfect for camping, outdoor activities, and emergency preparedness. With a powerful 1800 lumen output provided by 46 high-quality LED bulbs, this lantern is one of the brightest options on the market, capable of illuminating large areas and providing clear visibility even in the darkest environments. The built-in 4,400 mAh rechargeable battery ensures that the lantern can run for up to 12 hours on a full charge, making it an excellent choice for long camping trips or power outages. Additionally, the rechargeable battery can also be used as a power bank, allowing you to charge your smartphone or tablet in case of an emergency. This feature is especially useful when you need to conserve your phone's battery in a power outage or while camping in remote areas. The Ayl Lantern offers 4 light modes: daylight, warm light, a combination of both, and flashing, each of which is dimmable, allowing you to adjust the brightness to suit your needs. The waterproof construction ensures that the lantern can handle wet conditions, making it suitable for use during rainy camping trips or emergency situations. Whether you need a reliable light source for outdoor adventures or a backup power source for your devices, the Ayl LED Camping Lantern is a versatile and durable option that provides long-lasting performance and exceptional brightness. Number 4. Innofox Cob Camping Light. The Innofox Cob Camping Light is a highly reliable and durable lantern that delivers impressive performance in a variety of conditions. With a maximum output of 1,500 lumens, this lantern provides bright, wide-angle illumination, perfect for lighting up your campsite, backyard, or outdoor work area. It features 4 distinct lighting modes: high 1,500 lumens, medium 900 lumens, low 500 lumens, and night mode 90 lumens, allowing you to choose the ideal brightness depending on your needs. Whether you're looking for bright light for outdoor activities or a dimmer setting for reading, this lantern has you covered. The Innofox lantern runs on 4D batteries included and can last between 1.5 to 72 hours depending on the selected mode, offering long-lasting illumination for extended periods. It also features an IPX4 water resistance rating, which means it can withstand splashes from all directions, making it ideal for use in rainy or damp conditions. The 360-degree lighting ensures that the entire area around you is brightly lit, while the 2 hooks on the lantern provide convenient hanging options for hands-free use. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for an emergency, the Innofox Cob Camping Light is a reliable and versatile lantern that offers excellent performance, durability, and energy efficiency. It's a great addition to any outdoor enthusiast's gear or emergency kit. Number 5. 1000 Lumens Waterproof Lantern Flashlight. The 1000 Lumens Waterproof Lantern Flashlight is a versatile and durable lighting solution that's perfect for a wide range of applications, including camping, outdoor activities, and emergency situations. With a maximum brightness of 1000 lumens and a 360-degree beam angle, this lantern provides ample light to illuminate large areas, making it ideal for use in tents, campsites, or during power outages. The lantern is water-resistant with an IP44 rating, ensuring it can handle splashes and light rain, making it suitable for use in various weather conditions. Its rechargeable feature is another standout, with the lantern doubling as a power bank for charging smartphones and other devices in case of an emergency. The lantern can run for up to 12 hours on a full charge, providing reliable lighting when you need it most. The 1000 Lumens Waterproof Lantern Flashlight also offers 4 different light modes: white light, warm light, combined light, and flashing mode, giving you the flexibility to adjust the brightness depending on your needs. The dimmable function allows you to further customize the lighting, ensuring you can conserve battery power when necessary. The design includes 2 hooks, one at the top and one at the base, allowing for easy hanging and hands-free use. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or preparing for an emergency, this lantern provides dependable and adjustable lighting that meets all your needs. It's a versatile, high-performing, and durable solution for both indoor and outdoor lighting. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.